Hello everyone, this is Jason. This is a video showing how to use the universal fixture. This fixture is designed for all the range of our MaggieFrame magnetic embroidery hoops. Firstly, I will show you how to use this long universal fixture on the HoopTalent main station. Basically, when we receive the fixture, it's going to come in a set that are usually packed together. Okay, we put it somewhere on the station where we want the hoop to be. Then make sure it's straight across with one of the rows so that it's not crooked, and we could also record where we're placing this. Like right now, I'm on the line that's in the line with the symbol Swiss franc. Second step, puts the MaggieFrame on it. The third step is put the upper long universal fixture on it. And tighten the screw. The fourth step, we put the jacket on it. The shoulder, the lines, is on the edge of the hooping station. The jacket's middle is also on the middle of the hooping station. And we check the embroidery art area is inside the hoop. The fifth step, we put the stabilizer on it. The sixth step, we put the jacket on it. When we put the jacket on it, we need to ensure the line of the shoulder should be on the edge of the station. And the middle of the jacket should be on the middle of the station. Then we use the MaggieFrame hoop it. When we start to set up, we set the bottom fixture firstly, and we use the lower MaggieFrame to help us set up the upper fixture. When we do the setup, the first jacket, it takes a little bit time to be sure the embroidery art area is inside the MaggieFrame and it's on the good position for the next sewing step. But after we finish the setup, we do 10 jackets or 50 jackets or 100 jackets, it becomes very productive. We just repeatedly put the jackets on the HoopTalent is okay. And every next jacket we put on the station, the embroidery art area is on the same position inside the MaggieFrame. This is the value of the universal fixture. It helps you repeatedly hoop the jackets in high position, and it becomes very productive. The repeatable and high precise positioning save you a lot of time in the hooping process when you do the mass production. This is the same jacket. If the embroidery art area is bigger, like the red paper area, we may use 12.4 inch by 15.6 inch MaggieFrame. The setup steps are the same. Just remember, we start set up the bottom fixture firstly and use the first jacket to help us finish the setup. When you use a bigger MaggieFrame to do embroidery, if the embroidery art is in the middle of the cloth, you need to use a longer universal fixture with the HoopTalent main station. The setup method is always the same. If you want to embroider left chest logo, you may use smaller hoop. Now we will show you how to use this smaller hoop on the HoopTalent main station with the short universal fixture. Let's use 6.5 by 6.5 inch MaggieFrame as an example. Because we plan to do right or left chest logo on the shirt, since the long universal fixture can only do the positioning always in the middle of the clothes, so we need to choose the short universal fixture. This one. Let's do a left chest logo. Here are the setup steps. First step, place the bottom fixture on the main station where we'll help the logo art area nearly on the middle position inside the MaggieFrame as close as possible. Second step, use the lower MaggieFrame to help position the upper short universal fixture and tighten the screw. Third step, put the shirt on it and check whether the embroidery art area is very close to the center position inside the MaggieFrame. If yes, we go to the next step to hold the backing. If the embroidery art is far from the center inside the MaggieFrame, we need to adjust the bottom fixture until the embroidery art is in the center or very close to the center. Fourth step, we hold the backing. Fifth step, put the shirt on the main station. Because the size of the shirt is XL, normally we position the plackets on the letter E. You can set up the short universal fixture for the other size of MaggieFrames on the main station in the same method, such as 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch, 6 inch by 8 inch, 8.7 by 5 inch MaggieFrames, and so on. Now we are going to demonstrate how to use the short universal fixture on the sleeve station. In this demonstration, I will use the 8.75 inch by 5 inch MaggieFrame to hoop the shopping bag. First step, place the bottom fixture on the sleeve station. And remember, this edge is the same level with the end of the sleeve station. When you use the sleeve station, this bottom fixture is always like this. Second step, use the lower MaggieFrame to help position the upper short universal fixture and tighten the screw. The third step, we hold the backing. The fourth step, put the shopping bag on the station. We can use the belt to help us to do the positioning. The distance between the edge of the belt and the edge of the backing plate is the same. This can ensure the embroidery art area is in the middle when it's inside the MaggieFrame. And the edge of the shopping bag is here. We remember the edge position. So when we do the mass production, we position the same size shopping bag in the same position here. Then we can get the embroidery art area inside the MaggieFrame is always same position for the whole mass production batch. Then we hoop it. If we use this MaggieFrame, the size is 12.6 by 3.9 inch. To hoop the pant legs, the step is the same as the shopping bag. Firstly, we position the bottom fixture. We use the lower MaggieFrame to help us position the upper fixture. We tighten the screw. We hold the backing. And we put the trousers on the sleeve station. When you position the pant legs, you use here and use the edge. You can feel the edge to position. So in the mass production, you always make the pocket edge here and the edge of this is here to help you to do the repeatable positioning. You see, you can set up the short universal fixture for the other size of MaggieFrame on the sleeve station in the same method, such as the 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch, the 6.5 by 6.5 inch, the 7.6 by 2.7 inch MaggieFrame, and also other small sizes of MaggieFrame. As you can see, we can adjust the fixture easily as needed for whatever hoop size we may use. Above all, if we are embroidering relatively large fabric such as jackets, t-shirt, sweatshirt, then it's recommended to use the main body with non-universal fixture. If we use small fabric such as pants, sleeves, shopping bags, and so on, it's recommended to use the sleeve station with the short universal fixture. If we are embroidering the t-shirt chest logo, it's recommended to use the main station and the short universal fixture. If you like my video or if you want to know more about the skills or experience of MaggieFrames or HoopTalent hooping station, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for your time for watching our video. See you in next video.